How to reorder pages in a PDF. So if you want to reorder pages in a PDF, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser. After opening your browser, now we are going to open a free tool, which is PDF Gadget. And here you will have pdfgadget.com. Click on it, which is a free website. Now, if you want to reorder pages in a PDF, then you need to scroll down, and here you will have an option of reorder pages. You need to click on that, remove the ad, and then scroll down, and here you will have an option of choose file. Click on choose file and then select your PDF file. After that, go with open, and it will upload the PDF file. Wait for a minute and click on apply order, and click on download reorder PDF, and that's it. But if you don't like your order, you can go with reset order and you'll be able to reset it. That's how you can reorder pages in a PDF. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.